Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to import vector data to OR program. If you do not have OR, you can click the link below. You can see my previous video how to install OR program and Rstudio. Now I would like to add some more about how to install OR program. You go to Google and type OR program and choose OR program for download. This is the download OR program for Windows. You can click on it and then you can click on the link below to download. This is the OR program for Windows. I'm already installed it. When you finish it, you just click open the folder and run it. And next you have to install Rstudio. This is the website. I will drop the website Rstudio in the link below. This is the website for Rstudio. You can click on it and you can download in the top right side. And if you would like to download it, just click on it. This is how to install Rstudio for desktop. And you can go down if you like a free Rstudio. Just click on here, and then you can follow the step how to install. This is the Rstudio requirement, or at least or 3.3 plus, and you can install the following. I will drop the link to the website below the video. You can check it, or you can click on the Rstudio for Windows 10 and in Windows 11 here. I'm already installed, so I do not need to install again. I just click it here, and now we go to OR program. This is the OR program we install, and you can double click on it. But I don't want to use this OR program. I would like to use Rstudio. Then I put it in my taskbar here. Just click on it. Yes, this is the window Rstudio. And if we would like to create a new file, we go to the file and new file, and we select all script here. So the window has divided into 3 parts. First, we would like to install. I just put the note here. We need to install 2 packages, rgdal package and fs package. To install the package for all, you just go to the package in the right side here and click on it, and then you choose install, and then you can type rgdal, and then you click to install, and you can wait for a second because I already installed, so I don't want to install it as the same as the ff. Also you can type ff, and then you can select on it and run it. Then the package will be installed into your OR program. So I installed it already, so I just cancel it. Next, you have to download. So I would like to tell you, if you want to get some data to follow this video, just go to Google. You can search ODC. ODC is the website can be download any shapefile in Cambodia. Click on it. This is the website that we can download the material for this lesson. And then you can type on the map. You can find on the map in the menu bar here, and you can click on this, and then a lot of data, especially in Cambodia, you can find it here. So if you would like to download base map, you can just search base map, Cambodia's base map, and find it. Yes, this is the Cambodia's base map. You can, if you would like to find another data, example protected area or something else, population, you can click on the base map here, and then you can find a lot of this is the vector shapefile. You can click on the download button at the JSON as well, KML as well. So I already downloaded, so you can download it. This is the Cambodia base map. In the shapefile, they are including a province boundary, district boundary, and community boundary in Cambodia. So I will drop this link in the below video so you can find it to download it. Okay, and then we go to Rstudio back. So after you install the library, you can activate the library that you just install it in your R program. So you can type library and you can rgdal. This is I would like to replace it, it's in my mistake. Okay, and you can run and another library ff, so you can run. And next you have set the directory to your data. Set directory to data. So to set the directory, you have to type set what, and then you can go. It's important for me. You can go to my data. It's important my data in .id. This is data. This is my data. All data. So I just copy it and replace here, and you just change here to, and then you run it. So no error, any error. Next you have load data with the data. Okay, I will make a variable called province equal reader read ogr, and in the read ogr, this is you have put the folder. Go back to the data folder. I put it in Cambodian here. So I just copy it, right, and name and copy it and paste here. And the next, what data you're gonna get in this folder. In this folder, we would like to get there's many data in this folder. So I just would like to get the province. You can find the province. There's many protected area. Okay, find the province here. You can just copy it here, the name, and copy it back to the Rstudio and paste it here. So we can run it. Okay, no any error, and we can check it. How to check it? You just type add, and I copy the province here, paste here, and then you can run it. So you can see this is the detail of aptitude table in the province data. There's many data here. So if you would like to get the name of header, just type name and pass province here again and run it. So this is the head that the head of aptitude table. So if the next time if you would like to see or classify or color it based on the header of aptitude table. Next you can load the map, load the province. Yeah, just run it. So this is, you can see it, right? This is the map of Cambodia province. If you want to do some style color, it's simple. Just add color, and it's simple. You need gray color on the map. Just type gray and you can run it. So this is a gray. If you need blue color, just type blue and run it. Then it is blue. So I don't like this error. Just gray. Okay, and run. Next, you have to add some another vector data. Load another vector data. I just copy from the same window. I don't like go back again. And paste it here and type PA. PA stands for protected area in Cambodia. And the same folder, you can follow the previous points. And this is the I replace here protected area. Protected area. You can go. I just copy it. Protected area. This is my save file name. I don't want to go back here. Save file name in the same folder as previous. So protected area save file name here. Okay, just run it. Okay, it's no error. And I also would like to add some village. Okay, some village. If you don't have the village name, you can download from ODC like I showed you in previous section. Village. The village, my vector data, and put it in the same folder GS and Cambodian. And this is the save file name. Village Okay, my folder just copy and paste here. Okay, and then I run it. Okay, it's no error. So the last one of the vector data I would like to add to is the row data here. Okay, just copy and paste and change here to row and in the same folder, and I copy the main row from the same folder, just replace here. Okay, and then we can run it. So it's no error. We just check it. If you want to check the that the read OGR, we'll need the projection. So we just print here to check the projection. Print project for string and province. I copy the province here, okay, and run it to check it. Okay, this is the project UTM zone 48. The term WGS 84. Okay, so the next you can float again. Just copy from the book and pass it. Okay, before I pass, I would like to write some note that generate a simple map. Okay, so I pass here, and like the previous, I put it in a province already. So I would like to check it. Replace here. Red, and you can add fall through if you would like to check here, and border equal gray here. Okay, so I check it to run. Okay, color, so maybe here I don't want to add here because the previous is color. Okay, sorry, it's mistake. The province here we don't add. So here, sorry, it's a little mistake. So we would like to get all here. Okay, I shall run above again. Here, run it. Okay, gray. And then here we do not need get x equal true and border equal gray. Okay, here border here is gray. Okay, so check it to run to check it here. So if no field color, okay. And next you have to add some vector data that we upload. It's simple. We would like to add protected area to the map to overlay the country map. Okay, here you plot PA protected area, and in protected area we make the color like color red and add to the map in add equal true. So shall run it to check it here. So if you would like to gray color, green color, or protected area, just say green here and run it. So it will turn to green. Next we would like to add village, plot village. Village is the point you can plot or you can add the same. So you can do both. You can add point, and I copy the village here, and PCH style and CH equal 0.1. Okay, run it. So the village point you show overlay the map. If you need colors of the village, you just say color equal red here and run. So the point will be go to red. Next you have to add road. Road is a line. You can add line. I copy road here, hide here. In the road, you can color the road as color blue and white point to point 0. This is the size of road here. So you can run it. So this is, you can see here is we add polygon, we add point and line to a single map. We can add a lot of vector data into a single map. Thank you for your watching. I think you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just drop your message in the below video, and you can also find the link of the data source that I use for this lesson in the below link, and also you can find the link below to how to install Rstudio if you don't have it in your computer. Thank you.